Hello and welcome to Waiver Consulting Group. This video outlines how to become an adaptive equipment services provider in Nevada, enhancing mobility and independence through customized equipment solutions. These vital services are authorized under Nevada's Medicaid home and community-based services waivers, including the home and community-based waiver for persons with intellectual and developmental disabilities, HCBS IDD, frail elderly FE, physical disabilities PD, traumatic brain injury, TBI, and aged and disabled AD waivers. The Nevada Department of Health and Human Services administers funding, with the Aging and Disability Services Division ADSD overseeing quality and compliance, and Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services providing federal oversight. To become a provider, apply through the Nevada Medicaid Provider Enrollment Portal, submit required documentation like professional certifications and policy manuals, and undergo a program readiness review by Department of Health and Human Services, DHHS, and Aging and Disability Services Division, ADSD, for approval and Medicaid enrollment. Waiver Consulting Group offers comprehensive support to help you launch compliant adaptive equipment services across Nevada. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to get started.